In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a share link from a Google Drive file. If you need to send a file to someone quickly, creating a share link in Google Drive is one of the easiest ways to do it. This is useful for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, PDFs, images, and many other file types stored in your Drive. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, go to your Google Drive home. This is the main page where all of your Drive content is organized and accessible. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. That can help avoid copying a link from the wrong drive. Next, click on My Drive in the left-hand column. This will open the area where your personal files and folders are stored. If the file you want is already visible, great. If not, you may need to quickly look through your folders to locate it. The important thing here is to get to the exact file you want to share before moving on. Once you've found the file, click on the three dots next to it. These three dots open the File's More Options menu. In Google Drive, this menu gives you access to several actions related to that file, including sharing, moving, renaming, and downloading. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the option that lets you copy the file's link. From that menu, click on Copy Link. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will generate the shareable link and copy it to your clipboard. That means it's now ready to paste into an email, message, chat, or anywhere else you want to send it. One important thing to keep in mind is that copying the link does not always guarantee that other people can open the file. Access depends on the file's sharing permissions in Google Drive. So if someone tells you they can't open the link, you may need to adjust the file's access settings before sending it again. And that's it. You've successfully copied a share link from a Google Drive file. It's a simple process, but it can save time and make sharing files much easier, especially when you need to send something quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.